Here at Frederick County during the summer, what we do is we take all the Chromebooks we collected from seniors and we clean them and then power wash them and set them back up. And then we remove the users, charge them up fully, make sure the operating system's updated well enough, because we reissue them to middle schools or elementary schools for use again for next year. In 2015, we started working summer hours, preparing the senior Chromebooks and getting them ready, and then having summer school kids or others bring their devices in for repair. We're open from 8 to 11 and 12 to 3. If somebody has a broken computer, they can bring it in and we can repair it on site and get it back to them. If we can't repair it here, we'll ship it off and have our vendor repair it and ship it back to us. Some of the things we've seen that during the summer are we see broken top covers, broken screens, broken hinges. We've seen bottom covers cracked, top covers cracked, bezels cracked. I mean, we've seen some Chromebooks where we have to repair them completely, from bottom up. The main damage is usually outside. Internals are usually okay unless it's pretty bad broken. If it's broken internally, it's usually just a card here and there that we're trying to get fixed. The amount of computers we see here during the summer is probably around 2,000, maybe 2,100. We get all the end repairs from all the middle schools and elementary schools that we have to repair and get ready to go back to that site for use next year. Chromebooks are quite expensive, and it's good that we recycle and reuse, because that way we don't spend that amount on new Chromebooks every year.